Other new arrival, the 1953 Studebaker Champion hardtop. Tahoe Green and Ivory Mist over gray and dark gray.
Like the color of your shirt.
Yeah, exactly. That's you can see that. Rebuilt Silverhawk 289 cubic inch V8, 3-speed manual with overdrive. Important to have that overdrive. It makes a huge difference on these older cars with 3 and 4 speeds. Gives it a little legs when you're going down the highway speed, which is nice. Front disc brakes and a Dana 44 axle.
How about that?
That's kind of interesting. So.